Agrowtek's been in business for 15 years. We manufacture control systems for environmental control, fertigation, and hydroponics control. We're pretty proud of the fact that everything we do is designed, manufactured, and assembled right here in Brookfield, Wisconsin. So made in USA is a pretty big deal for us, but we've been providing control solutions for professional cultivators since 2007.
How did you guys get into the business?
We needed solutions, and we saw a need for solutions in the space for controls.
What are some of the biggest issues for people when it comes to a controls perspective, particularly for cultivators?
Controls failing, controls not working, getting bad service. So, that's one of the things that makes Agrowtek so good, is that we take a lot of pride in our quality control because we are the manufacturer. We have a lot of clients across the U.S. and around the world. We're fortunate to have shipped to something like 64 countries. Typically, we'll start engaging with the client sometimes as far as 6 months before the shovel, hits the ground, so to speak. So during the planning phases. Another thing Agrowtek prides itself in is that we are always developing new products, because we employ software engineers, mechanical engineers, and electrical engineers on staff. So we have several different sensor options coming down the line, new fertigations options coming down the line, several other new products as well. So
when somebody brings the grow control system in, what are some of the things that they can expect in terms of, data on the crop?
Well, they can expect full access and full remote control from any network to their device from anywhere in the world. So, our systems are going to collect data on temperature, humidity, light, CO2, VPD, as well as all the status conditions of the equipment, what's on, what's off. And that's fully accessible at any time. There's no fees or subscriptions to that, which there is with some other control solutions out there, but what they can expect is a cultivation solution that alerts, alarms, and allows remote access, that was US made and is built to last.
There's no subscription fee? That's incredible, because that's normal. Like, people are trying to sell that software as a service.
Right, people are trying to do a lot of software as a service kind of stuff, and it's my frame of mind that when you really push that, you start looking at your customers as just subscribers and just numbers and just revenue. We're not necessarily trying to do that. We try to view our customers as team members, family members, things like that. And at heart, we are manufacturers, so we're focusing on manufacturing. We do partner with some of these paid services that do offer a little bit more, but at the end of the day, Agrowtek offers a free solution, no subscription, no cloud. It's your data, it's not mine. We don't want it unless we're working on something together.
What's the smallest cultivation facility you're in, and what's the largest?
The smallest cultivation might be somebody's closet. The largest could be several acres of greenhouse.
Finally, I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't ask you about the bike behind you.
Yeah, so this is something that we're especially proud of. We just recently moved to Wisconsin, and we got to work with this local company here in Milwaukee to make this custom supermoto. Riding bikes is kind of a passion of mine, and obviously there's a lot of motorcycle influence in Milwaukee with Harley Davidson and Indian and everything else. So this was just kind of a good way for us to kind of support Wisconsin and start working with other Wisconsin companies, and we get a really badass bike at our shop to kind of screw around with. So
finally, if people want more information about Grow Control or Agrowtek, where's the best place to go?
Agrowtek.com, or you can visit our Instagram page for the most up-to-date information.